ஸ்ரீஹி ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமக. Namaskar to all the devotees. Wishing all the devotees a very happy Akshaya Tridi. Yes, coming 30th of April, that is 30/4/2025, Wednesday is Akshaya Tridi. This day is considered to be very, very auspicious. Many historical auspicious spiritual activities took place on this day only. Yeah, very good example is Akshaya Patra. Akshaya Patra was given as a gift to Pandavas by Surya Deva on this particular day only. So, devotees are insisted to donate for spiritual activities on this particular day. Donating for spiritual activities will fetch a lot of positive results, and many Aishwaryams will occur in their life due to this Dana Dharma done on this Akshaya Tridi day. Devotees wake up early in the morning, and they can perform Lakshmi Kubera Puja in their homes. Otherwise, waking early in the morning, worship Tayar Sri Lakshmi Devi and Bhagavan on this auspicious day, and they can keep kalasas in their home and worship, which will fetch a lot of good results. Come, let us celebrate this day in a more auspicious way and get the blessings of the Lord.